I just the elevator here at the South Milwaukee Public Library in South Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It looks like it used to be an armor, according to the nameplate down here, as well as an F. Rosenberg, or just Rosenberg for short. But then the 90s it got an ADAMIZED mod, it looks like. So I'll go up to 2. There are 2. So now we're going to go down to 1, because the basement's unfortunately locked. So I'll get a cab view. Looks like the cab is still original. Same with that roof hatch up there. I've never seen an armor / Rosenberg mix before, so that's quite neat. Probably had those like those white armor buttons originally. The carpet was probably redone at some point as well. So there's your floor indicator up there. ADAMIZED lantern. Inspection certificate, which is good until March of next year. Here's the F. Rosenberg logo. What to do in case of a fire. Fire service instructions. Emergency light. Here's the rest of the COP. And here's your phone down here. That's got a door hold key switch. That's cool. Watch it close up. Here it goes. And that's it.